Awakening of the wasted, the unfortunate parasites of human society. Those who fall apart eventually become wasteful individuals. They not only burden society but become parasites of humanity. Moreover, they contaminate and influence the interpersonal relationships, and the development of civilization in our human society. These individuals are what we refer to as trash people or scum. The formation of wasteful individuals is not a destiny, but a culmination of a series of irresponsible choices. They not only burden societal resources, but also serve as stumbling blocks to human progress. Society should not be contaminated by the toxins bred by these wasteful individuals, and interpersonal relationships should not be corroded by their influence. These trash people not only lack responsibility for themselves, but also betray society. Their discarded behaviors are like a plague, devouring the health of human society. We must refuse to become vessels for these scum, and keep their toxins away from our interpersonal relationships and societal development. The awakening of wasteful individuals should be an internal clarity. Society needs to encourage a sense of responsibility, and as individuals, we must refuse to be accomplices to wastefulness. Only in this way can we construct a healthy, clear human society, shake off the haze brought by trash people, and usher in true civilization development.